Nice one, guys. So basically, as I can see, I got some rosemary and some cloves right here. So we're going to mix both of them together. Look at this, guys. So we're going to put a few cloves into the cup. All right. And also we're going to put some rosemary, roughly about a teaspoon, into the cup like this. All right. Then what we're going to do is I just boil my kettle and I'm going to pour some hot water on it like this. All right. Now, the thing is, what I want you guys to do is to go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and click on the benefit side, and you will see the benefit of rosemary and cloves. Cover it and leave it for a few minutes. Okay. Once you do this, you can also use some honey, but you don't need to. Okay. What you guys need to do is just remove the lid and drink it naturally. Very good for your immune system. Fight against so much things in your body. Stay tuned for more tips and more recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking.